this video I'm actually going to show you how you are going to model your terrain to create a slope terrain like this. It's actually not that much complicated. It's very simple, and in the next video I'm actually going to show you how you can actually add a slab like this and then cut the upper part of the mesh tool. So before we start, make sure you subscribe and like the video. So we are going to go back to the ground floor plan. Then what we are going to do is choose the mesh tool, then just draw a mesh like this, simple one. Just like that, and then click on enter. I don't want the cover fill, so I'm actually going to change something. So just press Ctrl T, and then on the floor plan section, then cover fill, just uncheck that and then press OK. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to create contours, and the best tool to create contours is this spline tool here. It's actually available on the documenting palette. So you can actually create, it's usually advisable to start from the outside. Make sure that your first point of the spline is outside the mesh that you've just created for more accuracy. Then double click once you reach the point you want it to end. So normally you use contour maps, you overlay a contour map on that, but I don't have one that I can use for this one currently, so I'm just going to be making guesswork. So let's just say that we have those 4 contours like that. So we are going to press escape to escape the contour tool, the spline tool. So we have those 4 contours like that. So the first thing you're going to do is that you are going to select the mesh you created, this one here. Then go back to the design palette, then select the mesh tool. Then holding the spacebar, you are going to click on the splines you've created like that, then just press OK like that. So those are ridges which are just going to be created. So for all of them you're just going to press OK. That. And just press OK like that. Now at this point now you can just press escape. Then what I want to do now is delete the splines we've created. First deletion, you can just go to the document palette, select the spline tool, then press Ctrl A and just press delete. Well, actually I've deleted all of the splines, so you just have the contour lines on your mesh tool. So what you're going to do is just select a point, then click on it, then make sure that you select this one here, elevate mesh point. This one is actually for creating of a new node, but we want this one to elevate. Say this is the highest point, for example this is 6000 millimeters high. Then make sure you click on this, because by default it's normally unchecked, so you check mark that, then just press OK. Then you will see some lines appearing on your mesh tool like that on the mesh you created. So just like that you will have created your sloping terrain. One more thing, it's not that much smooth, so I'm going to show you how you can make it smooth like the other one. So we are just going to click on this, then press Ctrl T, and then on 3D appearance click on all ridges smooth, then you can just click on OK. Just like that, everything will be smoothened out. So make sure you share the video. Thank you for watching.